Okay, here's a look at the market through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader for Thursday, March the 25th, 2010. By the way, these are the market profiles in case you haven't seen our videos before. This is today's profile, and this is what occurred overnight. So going into today, we knew that in around the 70 area was a fairly important level. And you can see that overnight the market did rally and actually, oops, it actually closed right up in here above it, as did the opening price in the regular trading hours. It did dip down into here, which was a support area that we had going into today from approximately 62 to 67, and that if the market would hold below there, then the next level down was 59. So these are some of the areas that we're looking at, and if it can get below 59, then of course it's good for another leg down. And the next level on that would be around 57. Next level down, really, it could really move below that. So a pretty volatile day. You can see that it had a big range today, some 16 points or so, 17 points. So a day that had uh, yeah, 16 and a quarter points. So good range considering that our average lately has been around 10, 10 and a half. So this is the kind of day where the market goes up, accepts or at least holds for a period of time above a known previous resistance area, and then kind of gives it up and then sells off and closes below a known support. So or at least near a known support, which is the 62 area. So I think today's a pretty major development, and I think we need to monitor around that 62 to 59, because those are areas that if it can hold above 62, it's bullish. Below 59, very bearish. And even if it holds above 62, there's some good areas of resistance all the way up to about 67. So this is an area of resistance too, even if it can hold above 62. So I can't really see it rallying too much. If it does hold above 67, though, that would be another shift back to the upside. Not expecting that. It's more likely for the market to head lower, and the next area for the market to test is 59. So that's how we're looking at it going into tomorrow. We always like to use our regular trading profile, our RTH, or regular trading hours only profiles, to see what the condition of the market is. And here's our 1 minute software for the day. We had really four trades today, and we ended up trying to get long here. We missed the fill by a tick. We got long in here, ended up by getting stopped out. Now that would be considered a system trade, and because we didn't get filled on the earlier attempt down in here, a lot of our traders would not have taken this for that reason. Don't want to get into a lot of detail in that regard, but we had a similar event yesterday, kind of circumstance. So we then tried to get short here, missed it by a tick. We tried to get short also here, missed it by a tick. We did get short here, and it ended up with a break-even trade. So we came within one tick here, one tick here, and one tick here of having just, really, really great system trades. Now, our traders, when they're looking at this and deciding to, are they prepared to get in anyway? This one probably not. This one probably not. This one, yes, definitely. Probably with this one too, and with this one here. So, out of the 5 possible trades, 3 of them, an experienced trader in our system definitely would have taken for 3 nicely profitable trades. As it turned out, if somebody was very, very new to our system and was just trading it blindly, if you will, or robotically, then would have ended up with 1 loss and 1 break even. And so, that's really how we're looking at it. So it looks as though that 66 to 67 area is going to be likely resistance heading into the overnight and then tomorrow. And we'll see what happens when it gets to 59, because that's really and then the 57 area for support. So we got a couple good areas of support, a good area of resistance. If you can get below these areas here, then we could be in for a really fairly substantial sell-off. And so I think that's some things we want to consider heading into tomorrow. So any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Love to hear from you. Questions or comments, always welcome. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.